Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy Valentine's. And this Valentine, I had to make this video to thank all of you all for your support because it was amazing. And I'm so happy that I actually called for help and I got it. And I'm glad that you people believed in me because trust me, it actually takes a lot of courage to talk about all this. And the fear is, what if people don't believe you? What if people start laughing at you? They mock at you. That is the most dreadful part of coming out with your own story. And I'm glad you all believed in me and believed in the fact, because I am not fabricating this story even 1%, to be honest. And I don't need it because that's not me. And uh, whatever I've been putting in my stories, people have been asking acha ye wo, because I know that jo stories mein main dal rahi hu, it's a fact. And this thing had come to my notice. And I had got a call then, so I had to call and confront and say that this is what I've heard. Is it true? Like, no, ye wo story, label se meeting, is say meeting, and all that bullshit. I got all the false stories, but then I was like, I was so much in love, and I believed that that person was also so much in love with me that कुछ भी बोल सकता है पर cheat नहीं करेगा बंदा, you know, मतलब उतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस था एक्चुअली मुझ में. बट आई हैव फॉलन फ्लैट on my face. And yeah, I am suffering through anxiety and depression, and I am dealing with it. And it's okay, it's very normal. As an actor, it was tough for me to come out and say all this because मुझे लगा कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे, बेवकूफ़ बन गई, you're a fool, how stupid of you. I was so scared. And even before the news came out, a day before, I was like, throughout the night, I was in anxiety. I didn't sleep whole night because I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know why was I scared, but I'm glad that I took that stand for myself. And after taking that stand, there were so many people who were DMing me. Unfortunately, even some popular faces who wrote to me that, you know, they've gone through the same shit. And they were telling me that how strong I am, and it takes a courage to come out and talk. Honestly, it does, and it's scary. But I was like, no, I don't know what happens. Even if nobody's standing for me, I have to give out the truth because people have witnessed this story on Instagram, all the fake dates and the love and the post and everything. Because also because I was forced into validating this relationship on social media so early, and giving couple interviews, and also wanting to do a reality show. Thank god, that is one thing I said no to. And I was not too sure because tab tak ka, things were like, intuition was there, and I was like, something is not right, something is not right. What was not right, I didn't know, to be very honest. And this situation has honestly shook me. And how, like, I'm still in trauma, to be very honest, but I'm glad that Allah saved me. And inshallah, there is something amazing out there for me and for all you people who have gone through this. It's not just me. And I just want to tell people that if you feel sad, depressed, or anything, share it. It's very important. It heals you when people come out and support you, and they make you understand, and they are in that journey with you. It will shock you that कभी कभी ऐसे लोग आके इतना सपोर्ट कर देते जिनका आप सोचे भी नहीं होगे. तो just say it. एंड ऑनेस्टली इस रिलेशनशिप के बारे में जो भी आया है तो सिर्फ 50% है जो मैंने बताया, शायद बाकी का 50% मैंने अपने पास रखा है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, दैट इज किलिंग मी. And I feel that I should be talking about it, but I don't know if I ever will or not. I still don't know, because that 50% is so horrible and so evil. You guys will be shocked to know it. And it's crazy. Yeah, I think no girl should ever go through this. Yeah, it's pathetic. And how sad how people have become today. They're so evil, they're so toxic, and they keep giving you all the stories. Like, imagine your partner telling you throughout the year, please don't cheat on me, I love you so much. And you're like, why is this person saying that? Of course I'm in a relationship and committed to you, why would I do that? The person was saying that because that's what that person is all about. So आप जैसे होते हो लोगों को वैसा ही देखते हो. And on 31st of December, someone telling you that, okay, let's go live on Instagram and, tell people that we're together. And उसके बाद you tell me that, I won't be able to see you with anyone else. And I was like, I got more emotional. I was like, yeah, I'm never going to go to anybody else. And imagine this person has been cheating me since May with so many girls. But I want to give a huge shout out to some special people. Miss E, Miss KS, and Miss SD. Just know that karma is going to bite you hard. And I hope and I pray that the world and me gets to see it. But in case we don't, at least you should know it. And what do you girls think? That you will end up getting an amazing partner, a boyfriend or a husband. ऊपर वाला है और सब देख रहा है. आपको वैसा ही पार्टनर मिलेगा जैसे आप हो, या शायद आपके पास ऐसे ही पार्टनर है जैसे आप हो, इसलिए आपको ये चीज़ बहुत नॉर्मल लगती है कि किसी के भी पार्टनर के साथ रिलेशनशिप रखना और शुरू हो जाना. एंड द वर्स्ट थिंग इज आई न्यू यू. I give you a lot of respect, love, kisses, hugs, and this is what I get in return. I'm glad you can have him, because I know that there is someone super duper amazing out there for me, and I don't care. I'm glad that this trash is out of my life. This is my last thing about this topic now. I'm done and dusted. Moving on. But lots of love to you all.